Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very simple scenery from here. We can start by drawing a house here. This is the border line. The rooftop of the house, little bit inclined here. Okay. The doors and the windows. We are drawing another house with the same type of inclined rooftops. This is the door and the window. Another window will be here. We draw a outline here like this, another outline here. There will be a tall tree like this. Only the branches. Few bush at the bottom. This is the border line. This is border. We see the greeneries in a far distance and the tall palm trees to the skyline. And two boats here. Another boat will be here. The color is the darkest black of all. The grass is here. Putting the shades with these long hatches. The bush at the bottom of the tree. All right. The rooftop is darker. Let's put it in a grid pattern. All right. Little shades on the side of the houses. So this is the drawing. Let's put the blue for the water. Green for the grasses. And for the tree too. Also you can see the village in the far with the green, and the sky is sky blue. All right, few trees here. Little shades on the water. So the drawing is complete. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.